Alright, hey guys, in this video we're going to be setting up the thank you page inside of Clickfunnels. So if you're not doing Clickfunnels, go ahead and just switch over to whichever lesson you're doing. If it's HTML or WordPress, you're going to want to watch those, not this one. So a couple things here. I have my notepad file already with kind of all the stuff that I need to just kind of copy and paste over, so you're not, spend a bunch of time watching me looking for things. Before we jump into that, though, I want to talk about how I came up with the offers that I'm going to use on my thank you page for Vacation Sumo. So yesterday, it took me all about 5 minutes to find this affiliate program. I just went to Google, and first thing I typed in was best travel affiliate programs, and I wasn't really getting anywhere. I was mostly finding stuff like, like Expedia type sites where they only pay you like a 5% commission, and that's just not enough to get me excited. It wasn't really specific enough to vacations and what I'm really looking to help people with. So I went back to Google and typed in vacation package affiliate programs and ended up stumbling onto this company. It's called bookvip.com. What they have are a bunch of vacation packages. Some of them, really a lot of them, are all-inclusive vacation packages that are very, very reasonably priced. Like really good deals at really, really nice resorts, and many of them are beaches. Like all-inclusive stuff on resort, in a resort with all the drinks and everything paid for. So they're really good deals that a lot of people just don't know exist, which are like perfect for you if you can find really a lot of affiliate products are like that anyways. But in this niche specifically, I feel like they're just not seen as often. So good thing about this company is that they pay you like 30% commission on most of these, and some of them were actually higher than that. And I don't have to wait until people actually travel to get paid. So a lot of the other travel affiliate programs, you don't actually get paid the commission until somebody actually goes on the trip. So even if they book today for like a year from now, you don't get paid until like a year. So that sucks. So this one is just different. It's a lot better, and they pay you as soon as not as soon as, but you get the commission when they book, the day they book. So I'm not sure exactly what the actual payout is, probably 30 days or something, but you don't have to wait. So yeah, so that's really it. Like I was going to do a video kind of showing the process, but that was as simple as like a Google search, and I landed on it. And the first page of Google, it was the probably fifth or sixth result maybe at the most, and it's a really simple sign up process. Just my name, my email address, my physical address, and then how I wanted to get paid, PayPal or check. So wasn't really worth recording a video for. But anyways, I wanted to kind of tell you how I found it. Now I'm inside of the kind of the affiliate dashboard area. There was no approval process; it's just automatic. So they have like a bunch of pre-made banners and stuff set up for you already. So I came in here and found two beach related vacation packages, and just kind of grabbed the banner code right here by clicking that button. So I just clicked down there and copied it, and that's what you see in my my notepad file right here. So you got one for Puerto Vallarta, and then one for the Grand Serenas Hotel in Mexico. So that's kind of where I found the two offers that I'm going to be using. So let's see, what else are we going to do real fast? One thing I didn't cover in the first video on the squeeze page is actually two things. So you want, in ClickFunnels, you want to set up like a default page for each funnel, each domain. So my domain is free.vacationsumo.com. If I don't go into my ClickFunnels settings for this domain, which you can get to by going up to your name up here and clicking account settings, and then on the left you click domains. That's where I'm at. Obviously find your domain and click edit. This is the edit screen for my domain right here. You want to set up the default pages for these two, because by default they're set to just go to clickfunnels.com. So meaning right now, if I just went to free.vacationsumo.com, it's going to redirect to like my ClickFunnels dashboard. So let me show you in a new incognito window, because I'm currently logged into ClickFunnels. So you can see it just redirects to ClickFunnels, which we don't want that to happen. So you want to find your here we go. So you want it to be your squeeze page, preferably. If you have another page that if you want to make a home page or something, you can do that. But the idea is to set it to a page that's relevant to your brand. So if somebody accidentally lands on that home page somehow, they don't see like a ClickFunnels page. Same with the 404. Somebody accidentally types it in wrong or whatever, then they're not just taken to ClickFunnels. So we're going to save that too. All right. So I meant to do that in the last video. I also meant to talk about the rest of the URL here. So you can see it's just some random squeeze page with some gobbledygook at the end. Fortunately, with ClickFunnels, you're almost always going to have this gobbledygook stuff at the end. They put it on there if you have like a bunch of different funnels in your account and a bunch of different domains, and you've already taken up that name for another page, even if it's in a different funnel on a different domain, doesn't matter. They're going to add this to the end of it. But what you can do is change this part. So if you go to publishing, I would probably change this to like beach vacation squeeze page. And then here, this is something that you want the user or your web visitors to see. So I would probably do, well, what is it, top 100. Top 100 beach vacations. Or you can do like free guide and then top 100 beach vacations. So if you want this to be more readable, it's a good idea to put another, like a trailing hyphen and then like another letter or number right there. So I usually would just put in a number like 1. The thing to remember though in ClickFunnels is you have to change this in 2 places, which is also kind of annoying, but you do what you got to do. So I'm just going to copy this and then click Update Funnel. So the other place to get to change it is right here. See, it's still going to be the same unless I change it right here too. So beach vacation squeeze page. All right, so now if I open this, it should go to this URL. It's probably going to add some numbers and stuff after that 1, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, so now that's a little bit better URL. And it doesn't matter if you change this, like before or after you set your domain defaults, it automatically knows that you want it to be that page. So if I were to go back into my domain settings, it's going to show this page as the one I picked because it was the squeeze page. It was just renamed since then. So, all right, let's get into the thank you page here. Below this video, I'm going to put the same exact ClickFunnels share link to this funnel. It's just now this funnel has 2 pages in it. So you got a choice here. You can import this funnel again, meaning just log into your ClickFunnels account, and then below this video, click this ClickFunnels share link again and import this entire funnel again as a separate, like a second funnel. And then go into the thank you page in the new one you're just importing, and you can save this page as a template to use in your existing funnel that you already edited. Otherwise, you're going to have to you're just going to have to build the entire page from scratch like I just did in here. That's kind of a workaround, is just to import a second copy of this whole funnel again, go into this page only, save it as a template, a ClickFunnels template, and then we can go in and use that template, which I'll show you here. So I'll show you how to save it as a template. You got to go into edit the page, go to settings in general, and then click save page as template. Since I've already saved this page as a template, it's giving me this message. Only thing you have to do is name it. You can name it whatever you want, and then click save template, and then you'll be redirected to your template library. But since I already have it saved, I'm just going to get out of here. And now I can actually close this because I already have Vacation Sumo open. I just wanted to show you a little bit of a shortcut rather than having to build the whole thing from scratch. So what you can do now is going to be add a new step. And this is going to be, just going to call it thank you page. And then the path, again, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's going to just by default name it thank-you-page and then some gobbledygook. It can be something short, like 100 best beach vacations, and then like dash TYP for thank you page, and then dash and a number like that. It's still going to end up adding numbers to the end of it, so not really any way around that. All right, so what you want to do in ClickFunnels is to organize your pages kind of as the funnel. The way that the funnel flows is starts from the top and then goes down. So you want to move this up to be right below the squeeze page, so that ClickFunnels knows after somebody opts in to send them here, and you don't have to set any of that up. They just know by default. All right, so what I can do now is go hover over opt-in and change this to thank you. That way it shows the thank you page templates, and you can see mine is right there. Yours will be right there too in the first spot, because it's probably going to be the most recent one that you've saved as a template. So I'm going to select that one. And now I can edit it. So like I said, I've got my notepad file here already set up, so I can just copy and paste stuff. One thing to note here is you don't need to do steps 2 and 3 if you've already done it before in your on your squeeze page. If you've already installed Google Analytics and the proof notification code, that's going to be site-wide, meaning funnel-wide, really. If you did it on the squeeze page, which I did, so I'm not going to be doing that. All right, number one thing is changing the page title. That's this right here. I'm just going to leave it as thank you. If you want to change it to something else, you go to settings and then SEO metadata, and you can change it right there. Sometimes I'll do like success or confirmation or confirmed submission, something like that lets them know that what they just did on the squeeze page worked. All right, so again, number 2 and 3 we don't need to do. Number 4 is the thank you message. That's this part up here. I'm going to go ahead and copy my thank you message, and I'm going to click this and then open the text editor, and I want to switch it to the code editor so that I don't lose any of these styles. So I'm going to paste it all right here first, and then I'm going to come back and move this in between that highlight. I want to make this part highlighted with a yellow background, so I'm going to cut and then paste it over top of this. All right. So thank you for requesting our free guide, the 100 best beach vacations in the world. Download link will be sent to your inbox within 10 to 15 minutes while you're waiting. take a look at these amazing vacation packages. Okay. Next is number 5. That's going to be the first offer right here. You got 3 parts to edit: the headline, the image, and then this link down here. Again, I already have this set up right there. Just leave that right there. And so we can keep that red thing right there. We're going to open it in the text editor again. And we will just replace all that. Just like that. Cool. All right. And then, so this is going to be a little bit different for me, since they already have all their banners hosted on their own server. Like, it's a cloudfront.net, so it's probably like a CDN that they pay for, a content delivery network. And the fact that they put it in the affiliate portal like this tells me that they're okay with me using the image hosted on their site. So I'm not going to mess with like trying to add an image and then hyperlink that image and then add my affiliate link and all that. I'm just literally going to copy and paste the entire web banner code. So to do that, I'm going to have to first get rid of this image, and I'm going to have to add a probably an HTML block. Which kind of sucks because I can't, in Clickfunnels, you can't see the custom JavaScript / HTML output until you are viewing the live page, but that's okay. Let me change that to 10 there real quick. All right, now I can click that, open that, and then grab my code here, which is going to be all of this. So copy that, paste, and one thing I want to change right there is this. I'm going to change this to blank so that it when somebody clicks the hyperlink, it opens it in a new tab. So I need to get, sort of for this link, I need to get my affiliate link from that block, which is, so this is the affiliate link right here. And I'm going to talk about shortening this link and cloaking it here in just a minute when I'm done editing the page. So we can click the hyperlink settings and put the link right there. And good to go. All right, now we're on to this number 6. Actually, I forgot to edit that text. Right here. There we go. All right, now we're on to number 6, which is the Porto Vallarta. All right, and this one I'm gonna leave that highlight, so I'm gonna just paste everything right here for now, and I want to move this into the highlighted section. Like that. And again, get rid of this image, and I'm just going to clone this, move it down, and copy this code, paste it over top. And I need to change that to blank. And I need to get my affiliate link for that one. And edit this text. So here's the link right there, and then let me get the text for it. There we go. Close that. And the last thing is going to be the footer. So you got the footer text, and then number 8 is the footer links. So I'm going to do this first. Paste top. And then I forgot about my privacy. What I can do now is just pull up my squeeze page, since I just changed the domain settings. So I can just go ahead and go to free.vacationsumo.com, and that should redirect to my squeeze page, and then I can just copy those links. It looks like I need to add a space right there. Copy that link and go back there, and it's set to open in a new window. And let's do the next one is terms and conditions. Copy link address. There we go. That's good. And the last thing is my support email. One thing, another cool thing really about Clickfunnels is that you can save rows and sections. So the green part is a section, the blue is a row. So if I wanted to have to make it easier on myself, if I'm going to be making a bunch of pages, I could take like the footer, say for example, and put it inside its own row. Here, let's see. Well, this is kind of a bad example because I have the row styled with a border, but I could just drag this into a new row, and then see if you click this save button, you can give that a name, and then you can use that row anytime that you are anywhere else in ClickFunnels. So if I go to add new row and then click my rows, you can see I have all kinds of my own rows that I've saved. It's a way to make it easier if you're doing a bunch of pages and you got stuff like the footer that, you know, it's kind of a pain in the butt to have to do every time. All right, so let's go ahead and preview this. See what those banners look like. Cool. Everything looks pretty good there. This link should not be yeah, so it's a little bit different. You should really just copy this link from here instead of copying it from this notepad file. A little technical, but it's just so you understand. This is like an HTML code for an ampersand sign, like an and sign. So when it's in code like this, it prevents it from getting lost when the page loads. So that's why this one at the bottom, I was trying to figure out why the link looked different when I hovered over the text one, because the text one isn't going to automatically change that to an ampersand, so you need to do it yourself. So I will do that. I should have left that page open so I could do the other one too. So now these links should be identical. Yeah, so it's not changing. This one is going to be changing though. So I need to copy that, edit this one. Now we can save it. Okay. All right. So before we end this video here, I want to talk about what's called cloaking your affiliate link. If you look at the bottom, it's kind of like a long, ugly link, right? It's huge, it has all kinds of stuff in it. The biggest problem is, though, that somebody, if they knew what they were doing, could come in and remove your affiliate ID from that link, and you would not get a commission if they ended up purchasing without your affiliate ID attached. So there's a few ways to prevent people from just seeing your ID. Cloaking could be two different things, actually. Cloaking could be creating a link that is just redirecting to another link, so kind of hiding it from this part. But you can also cloak inside of the URL so that when somebody clicks, they don't see the actual page that they land on. Some affiliate programs, they don't like that. It's against their terms of service, so like I'm not going to recommend doing that. But just know when somebody says that they cloak a link, it could mean two different things. Anyway, what I'm talking about though is shortening them and also protecting your affiliate ID on the front end here. So it's really tough to do inside of Clickfunnels. There's nothing, unless you know like a bunch of JavaScript, coding and stuff, you can do it that way. But there's a program that I recommend that's free, a software called Short.io, and they have a free plan up to 5 custom domains. So what you have to do is go into like Cloudflare and set up a subdomain on your domain. Use it just for this Short.io to do redirect URLs. So for me, I would do probably like something like go.vacationsumo.com. I would set that up and point it to Short.io, and then once I log in, what I can do from there is then take this big ugly affiliate link. I would copy it, and you can create a shortened version of that link with your own domain. So it's going to be like go.vacationsumo.com / whatever I want to name it, and that one this is Grand Serenus. So maybe go.vacationsumo.com / grand-serenus. And I would use that link right here on my thank you page for both of these, so that when somebody hovers over it, they don't see this big ugly one at the bottom. They see a nice one. It also hides my affiliate link, but when they click it, it just redirects right to my affiliate link. So it's a pretty cool piece of software here, and it's really cool that it's free, up to even 5 custom domains now. It used to only be 3. But I've been using it for a number of years and love it. So just wanted to kind of use that as an option, give you that option if some people just don't care about this. And truth is, it doesn't really matter. There aren't many people that are going to be able to know anyways how to like take an affiliate ID out of a link. And a lot of the traffic you're probably going to generate is going to be on a mobile device, so they're not even going to see that link at the bottom anyways, because you can't hover on a mobile device. So but either way, just wanted to put that out there. It's a good idea too to use something like that, because you can track your links from there. I'm not getting into like legit long-term tracking across from later on when we talk about traffic sources, I will talk about tracking everything from the very beginning, from the ad all the way through to the end of somebody clicking this and buying. We will be talking about how to track all that. For right now, what I'm just saying is to get these cloaked so that they're hidden. You can connect this with your tracking, and again, we will go through all that when the time is right in the traffic modules, because it'll be different for each traffic source on how you set up your tracking. So cool. All right, if you have any questions on anything that we covered here, just let me know. Leave a comment below the video. If not, then I will see you in the next lesson.